Hey, what's going on, guys? It's AWESOMENESS Tech here, and welcome back to another video. And as you can see, I have a Razer Kraken Tournament Edition in black headset I just got from my friend for my birthday / Christmas. Cast Dev, sorry. Shout out to Cast Dev for this headset. Thank you. I love you a lot, bro. I'll open this up right now. Let's get right into it. All right, guys. Let's get into it. And here's a little slit right here. I'll grab my trusty duty little knife. Here we go. In this case, it's a Razer, and then you lift up from the bottom like so. This, and then bring this over here. Oh my gosh, my light's in the way. It's so high. Okay. Wow. For gamers, by gamer. And here's the headset. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's so cold too. Let's first take a look at the headset. Wow, I'm actually really impressed with the design of this headset. The Kraken Tournament Edition has spatial audio, and so you can just plug it into your actual millimeter head jack. The little controller box, so here's the volume up and down, mute button, spatial audio. You can control the game volume and the actual microphone volume, so if someone's talking quiet in the chat, then you can increase the volume. And then here's the bass too, if you want to get hard bass and you're listening to music as well. And so it extends a really good, pretty maybe 6 feet or so when you take this off and then just stretch it. Oh, yeah, that's actually a long distance. That's going to actually really help. So when I put this and attach this to this, I'll pull this little stuff off right here. All right. Just plug that in right there. All right. And take off that. I probably should take that off first. And oh, I love doing that. Oh my gosh, it's super sticky. I just noticed something incredibly cool. So this is the microphone right here, but it looks very small. You just extend it out and it goes out. I did not know that was a thing. I just kind of accidentally pulled it off camera. But I'm very impressed with this in design. Oh, so that's super cool. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I think these are inches, or I don't know. I mean, pay attention to really what it is. Both sides as well. And then I think if you connect it with the Snaps 3 software on Windows, it'll change the color of the lights that glow up, I believe. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing of the Razer Kraken Tournament Edition black version. See you guys in the next video, and peace out, guys. See ya.